Creating an AI character involves both creative storytelling and technical development. Start by conceptualizing the character's background, personality, and goals. Think about what motivates them, what they fear, and what they desire. This helps form a foundation for how they're going to behave and respond to different situations. It's important to build a backstory that informs the AI's decision and dialogue, giving it depth and consistency. Now, the next step is to design how the character will interact with users. Will the AI be conversational, offering advice, or act as a guide through a game or experience? All right, that's what you have to ask yourself. Now, define the tone and style, which of communication. That should be formal, or maybe casual, witty, serious. This will influence the character's voice and behaviors in conversation. Now, once the character's personality is defined, the technical aspect comes into play. You're going to need to implement natural language processing, NLP. You know, this technique allows characters to understand and respond to viewers' inputs. All right, now using machine learning models like GPT to generate contextually appropriate replies. Additionally, creating a feedback loop where the AI learns and adapts from the interactions can make the character feel way more alive and responsive over time. Lastly, you got to test and refine the characters regularly. Test them regularly to ensure that it remains engaging and coherent, continuously improving the AI's interactions.